Hello, my dear friends. So far, we have learned, a few of the basics about Python. So now we're going to learn conditional statements. It's one of the topics that will allow us to go a lot deeper into programming. So let's start. So when we're programming, it's decision-making that will allow us to anticipate the conditions that may occur during the execution of a program, as well as what measures to take according to any particular circumstance. So we use logical values to make these decisions and to continue the programs according to those conditions that we set. Now, in real life, a couple of examples that might help you picture the conditional statements would be if we were to take our umbrella according to the condition of the weather being rainy, or maybe we sleep according to the condition of our fatigue, right? So in fact, we encounter many conditional situations in life as well as in programming. For example, we will do certain operations according to whether certain conditions exist or not. All right, so that's the basis of conditional situations. So here in this section, we're going to learn what conditional statements are and what those logical values in Python can be and how to use them. Cool? So I'll see you next lesson. Have a nice day.